What is a great and easy way to diversify your portfolio as well as build and protect your retirement wealth? Gold coins. Gold coins come in many different sizes, designs, grades, and each have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will provide an overview of the various types of investment grades, best types of gold coins to buy for investment, popular gold coins available, size considerations, premiums and storage, calculating value, and purchase options available. Also, see the link to the full article in the description below. Given the present economic environment, inflation, interest rates, government policy, and the mounting national debt, it is more and more difficult for the average investor to make sure that their retirement plans and goals are met. If you feel that you are falling behind on your individual goals, see the link in the video description to access the free Inflation Retirement Calculator so you can make sure that you are on track. Popular coins. Not all coins are suitable investments. Some have higher investment premiums due to additional minting costs or other factors. It's important to consider the quality and rarity of each coin before investing. Popular gold coins include Gold American Eagle, American Gold Buffalo, South African Cougaran, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, Gold Britannia, Austrian Gold Philharmonic, Australian Gold Kangaroo, Gold Somalian Elephant, and Chinese Golden Panda. Be sure to stay to the end where we will cover the best 6 gold bullion coins to invest in. 1 ounce is the most popular size among gold investors due to its liquidity and flexibility. However, gold bars are better for investors with larger budgets since they have lower premiums compared to gold coins. However, gold coins offer a more compact form that can be stored in safes or smaller boxes. The value of any pure gold coin is calculated by multiplying its weight or gold content by the current price of gold in that currency at any given time. This makes it an easy, trackable asset class. When investing in physical gold, it's also important to factor in additional costs such as premiums, storage, and insurance fees. Knowing the investment grade is essential for making profitable investments. To ensure you're buying quality gold coins, it's important to consider their condition, weight, purity, and mintage. Here's a closer look at what makes an investment grade gold coin. Condition. Gold coins should be uncirculated or in near perfect condition. Any signs of wear and tear can significantly reduce the value of the coin. Weight. Again, the most popular size among gold investors is the 1 ounce. However, there are many other sizes available such as the half ounce and quarter ounce gold coins. Value. Again, the value of the gold coin is determined by multiplying its weight or gold content by the current market price. Purity. Most gold bullion coins have a purity level of 0.999, which means they have 99.9% pure gold. This ensures that your investment will maintain its value over time. The purer forms of gold are more resistant to tarnishing or depreciation from natural elements. Also, be sure to check the mintage year before investing. The newer the mintage year, the more likely you'll see an increase in value over time due to the rarity and uniqueness associated with modern minting processes compared to older processes. The popularity of certain designs can also affect their worth, so it pays to know which designs are trending in various markets before investing in them for long-term gains. When it comes to gold coins, size matters. Again, the popular 1 ounce gold coin can easily be stored in a safe or a smaller box, while larger bars are better for investors with bigger budgets and larger storage. Gold coins also come in varying designs and sizes that add collectability and increase demand from buyers. However, potential investors should keep in mind that short-term prices of gold can change quite quickly, hourly and daily. There are also 1 gram sizes of gold coins available if you are looking to invest in an even more modest way. However, premiums of these smaller gold coins can be a bit higher than their 1 ounce counterparts. A premium is a markup charged by the dealer over the spot price of gold. The size of the premium depends on the rarity and condition of the coin. Storage charges can also add up if you don't store your coins securely, so it's important to choose a security option such as a safe, bank deposit box, or a trusted third-party depository. When choosing a secure storage option, make sure it meets the insurance requirements for theft or fire protection and has adequate security measures in place. Best 6 gold coins to buy for investment. American Gold Eagle. The American Gold Eagle is one of the most recognized gold coins worldwide. It contains 1 troy ounce of gold and is backed by the United States government. These coins are highly liquid and easily traded. Canadian Gold Maple Leaf. The Canadian Gold Maple Leaf is another popular choice among investors. Produced by the Royal Canadian Mint, these coins are known for their purity and fine craftsmanship. They also come in various denominations, such as 1 ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 1/10 ounce. South African Cougaran. The South African Cougaran was the first modern gold bullion coin introduced in 1967. It contains exactly 1 troy ounce of gold and is alloyed with copper for added durability. Cougarans are widely recognized and traded internationally. Australian Gold Kangaroo. Produced by the Perth Mint, the Australian Gold Kangaroo, previously known as the Gold Nugget, is a popular choice for investors. These coins feature iconic Australian wildlife designs and come in various sizes, including 1 ounce, half ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/10 ounce, and 1/20th ounce. Chinese Gold Panda. The Chinese Gold Panda is issued by the People's Republic of China and is known for its annually changing designs featuring pandas. These coins come in different sizes, ranging from 1 ounce to 1/20th ounce. Note, prior to 2016, the Chinese Golden Panda coins followed the metric system rather than the troy ounce. British Gold Britannia. British Gold Britannia is a popular choice for investors due to its historical significance and beautiful design. These coins are produced by the Royal Mint and contain 1 troy ounce of gold. They are also legal tender in the United Kingdom. Purchase options for gold coins. When investing in gold coins, you clearly want a trusted source that you have built a solid relationship with. Options can range from a dealer, a pawn shop, or an online store. However, the best choice by far is a professional gold investment company that have an established track record within the industry. These companies provide the best prices, buyback guarantees, dedicated customer service, and secure storage options. A gold IRA is a tax-deferred means of investing in gold from an established company that provide competitive pricing as well as a solid price match guarantee. See the links in the video description to access the free guides from the 4 best gold IRA companies that we have vetted and thoroughly reviewed. To sum it all up, now you know the best types of gold coins that are available for purchase, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to calculate their value. With careful considerations of premiums, storage options, size specifications, and quality standards, you are able to select the right gold coin for your investment needs. If you are a serious investor with $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best volume prices, see the link in the description to sign up for a free gold and silver web conference from Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.